The legend has returned. The 2025 Mazda RX-7 is here, and it's everything enthusiasts have been waiting for. A true tribute to the Rotary legacy, this new RX-7 blends classic design with cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about Mazda's most exciting sports car. From the moment you see it, the new RX-7 screams performance. Mazda has masterfully combined retro styling cues from the legendary FD generation with modern aerodynamics. The sleek, low-slung body, wide stance, and signature pop-up style LED headlights pay homage to its roots, while the sculpted curves enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. And check out the rear. With a lightweight carbon fiber spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and a modern LED taillight strip, the 2025 RX-7 is built to turn heads. Now, let's talk performance. Mazda has brought back the Rotary engine. Yes, you heard that right. The 2025 RX-7 is powered by a 2.6L twin-rotor Skyactiv R engine, producing an estimated 400 horsepower. But Mazda didn't stop there. They've integrated hybrid assist technology to enhance torque delivery while keeping fuel efficiency in check. This beast is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, keeping the driving experience raw and engaging. But for those who prefer a modern touch, Mazda also offers a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for driving enthusiasts. The RX-7 comes with Recaro sport seats, a digital driver display, and a driver-focused center console. The mix of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather gives it a race-ready yet luxurious feel. And for tech lovers, Mazda has equipped the RX-7 with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a Bose premium sound system. Plus, with an optional head-up display and adaptive suspension settings, this car is as smart as it is fast. The 2025 RX-7 is all about precision handling. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, 50/50 weight distribution, and advanced kinematic posture control, this car grips the road like a dream. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the track, the RX-7 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. So, how much will this JDM icon cost? The 2025 Mazda RX-7 is expected to start at around $60,000, making it an incredible value for a high-performance sports car. Mazda plans to release it in late 2025, with limited edition models also in the works. The Mazda RX-7 is officially back, and it's better than ever. A high-revving rotary engine, stunning design, and cutting-edge tech, Mazda has crafted a true masterpiece. What do you think of the new RX-7? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting automotive content. This is Auto World, and we'll see you in the next video.